Welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I make videos about health and fitness. Today I'm going to be sharing my experience with persistent hiccups. That's hiccups that last more than 48 hours. We have two types of hiccups, the persistent type and the short type. The short type lasts less than 48 hours, while the persistent type lasts more than 48 hours. I've had 3 episodes of hiccups in my adult life before I found the remedy. The first episode lasted almost a week and it was stressful on my whole body. Trust me, I was tired. It wasn't funny. I was really tired, and we already know that hiccup is as a result of the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. So when this hiccup started, it started like the normal short episode of hiccups everyone has, that when you take water and do some other things, it will go. But after taking water, I followed so many of the unproven methods in the NICE guidelines. I drank water, the Valsalva maneuver. I took a teaspoon of granulated sugar. I put my knees to my chest just to compress the diaphragm. I took iced cold water. I took sips of it. I swallowed water so that it would compress the diaphragm. I pulled my tongue. I sneezed. All these are methods that are indicated in the NICE guidelines. Nothing worked. Nothing. The first time it was about a week. It went on its own though, and I didn't find the remedy. But by the time I told my mom, who reached out to one of my uncles, and he has this book given to him by his father. Actually, he has this book where he wrote all the herbs that can work for certain common conditions, and hiccups happened to be one of it. Lucky me. So then he gave me the recipe, just three ingredients, and that was it, and no more hiccups for me. And the second time I had the episode, after the second time I had the episode was when I reached out to him, and then I've had the hiccups for like 2 days before I reached out to him, and immediately gave me the mix. Man, it didn't last long. Like the next day, the hiccups was gone. I was like, whoa. And then the third time I had the episode again, I used the same thing. Same day, I didn't even wait this time around. And trust me, it was gone that same day. So I knew that, no, this recipe is nice, the bomb. And it's important to know that when you have persistent hiccups, it could be as a result of an underlying medical condition. I'm not disputing that. I did see a doctor. We ran tests. Nothing was seen. I was prescribed a particular medication. I don't want to mention it. I was prescribed a medication and I used it and it didn't work. So this was the only thing that worked. And what is this that I'm talking about? Okay, guys. So the recipe is 3 ingredients. 1, orin. The orin is like a chewing stick, but you just scrape the back off and you blend it. The back of orin, you blend it. Then Ijosi is pepper, small tiny pepper like this, added to it, mixed with honey, blend it together, mixed with honey. That's it. Hiccups is gone. Like, God has been so gracious to humans that He has blessed us with amazing remedies. I did not believe that was the solution to my problem. And since then, man, no more hiccups. I'm free of persistent hiccups. And even if I have any episode, I just take it straight up and that's it. But it's also important for you to check with your health professionals to be sure that there is no underlying medical condition before you just treat the hiccup, because hiccups can be an underlying medical condition for several conditions, which I'll leave in the description box. Trust your girl. So I hope you have gained from this video. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification, and like, share, subscribe, share with your friends, let them know how to cure hiccups. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.